today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post on LinkedIn Mobile. If you've ever published something and then noticed a typo, outdated info, or a better way to say what you mean, this quick walkthrough will help you update it without starting from scratch. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Give it a second to load your feed. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon or profile picture. Tap that to open your account panel, then tap your profile picture once more to go directly to your profile page. This takes you to the place where all your activity and posts are organized. Now scroll down until you see the activity section. Under activity, tap Show All Posts. This view collects the posts you've shared so you can quickly find the one you want to update. Take a moment to scan through your posts and locate the exact one you'd like to edit. If you post frequently, look for the thumbnail image or the first line of text you recognize to speed things up. Once you've found the post, look for the three dots at the top of that post. Tap the three dots to open the options menu, then tap Edit Post. This opens the editor for that specific post, allowing you to adjust the content. Go ahead and make your changes. You can refine your wording, fix typos, add or remove hashtags, and clarify any details. Keep your audience in mind. Make sure the main point is clear in the first couple of lines, since that's what most people see before expanding the post. If you're mentioning people or organizations, double-check their names, tags, and relevance. It's also a good idea to read your post out loud to catch awkward phrasing. Depending on the post type, some elements might not be editable, so focus on the text you can update. Remember that edited posts may display an edited label, so your network knows the content was updated. When you're satisfied, tap Save. Your changes are applied immediately, and the updated version will appear on your profile and in your network's feed as appropriate. Take one last look to confirm everything appears as intended, and that's it. Your LinkedIn post has been edited on mobile. This simple process helps you keep your content accurate, professional, and easy to read. If this walkthrough helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.